Saksakallan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
The sage Maitreya said, "Thus Daksa, the head of all Prajapatis, having been nicely instructed by the Supreme Personality of Godhead, worshipped Lord Vishnu. After worshipping him by performing the prescribed sacrificial ceremonies, Daksa separately worshipped Lord Brahma and Lord Shiva. Lord Vishnu should be offered everything, and his prasad should be distributed to all the demigods. This practice is still followed in the temple of Jagannatha at Puri. There are many temples of demigods around the main temple of Jagannatha, and the prasada which is offered first to Jagannatha is distributed to all the demigods. The deity of Bagalin is worshipped with the prasad of Vishnu, and also, in the famous Lord Shiva temple of Bhuvaneshvara, the prasada of Lord Vishnu or Lord Jagannatha is offered to the deity of Lord Shiva. This is the Vaishnav principle. The Vaishnav does not deride even ordinary living entities, including the small ant. Everyone is offered proper respect according to his position. The offering, however, is in relation to the center, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Krishna or Vishnu. The devotee who is highly elevated sees the relationship to Krishna in everything. He does not see anything as being independent of Krishna. That is his vision of oneness.